When working with the authority companies, there's a tremendous number of financing tools and offerings available to you and your family. We have everything from renovation loans, renovation lines of credit, home equity lines of credit, unsecured financing, 0% interest. We have a multitude of different options for you. And what we do is we work with you to find the right individual option that best fits your needs as an individual, as a family, and then also based on the position that you're in with your home. Your home is one of the largest investments that you'll ever make, and so we want to ensure that when you're financing a renovation project that you're getting the maximum return on investment, that you're improving the value of your home, and you're making wise decisions so that if you ever did decide to sell your home, that you're going to be able to get that return out of it. So we're going to look at multitudes of different tools, again, with lines of credit, with home equity lines of credit, renovation lines of credit, renovation loans, unsecured loans, and we use both local lending partners and also third-party lending partners.